Game 6 ng PBA Semifinals, SMB versus Ginebra. And we need to dedicate the first part of this video sa first quarter performance ni CJ Perez, the greatest ever in history. Perfect shooting, 12 out of 12, 30 points. The last time we see a perfect shooting in a quarter was Cyrus Baguio noong 2010, shooting 9 out of 9 with 19 points kontra Coca-Cola. The first points came from a difficult one, pero kasi ito naman yung game niya eh. Tsaka napansin niya rin na alanganin na yung pwesto ni Japet to chase, kaya he uses his left hand also. Tsaka minamaximize niya yung chance na nagdadrag yung bigs ng Ginebra sa perimeter. Si Troy nasa area ni Mo, si Japet nasa mid-range kay Junmar. So burst of speed lang yung kailangan ni Perez for another 2 points. Dahil sa drives ni CJ, kaya nakasag na agad si Troy after ng screen. Kaso lang, confident na si CJ na tumira sa labas eh. With that, a 3-point shot for him. Here, tama naman yung mga reads ng Ginebra. It is just skills na to ni Perez creating a little bit of separation, mid-range, 2 points. Kaso dito, defensive lapses na to ng Ginebra eh. 2 players yung magko-close out sa corner, leaving Perez open sa wing. Nag-hesitate ng onte, pero ayun, umawa pa. Another outside shot. Tsaka yung transition defense ng Ginebra is really bad. Lalo na kung si Perez yung nag-leak out. Matik na ano ito eh, pang sinasabi natin, lista mo na kapag siya yung nasa fast break. Here, good defense na to from Scotty. Pero mainit na talaga eh. Step back, 3-point shot for CJ Perez, and it's good. Kahit sa 4 points, sinubukan na rin yung init eh. And ayun, grabe na lang eh. Pasok na naman. They say nobody's perfect, pero CJ is in 1 quarter. And yung pang 30 points sobrang hirap na tira na. Pumasok pa rin, hanging in the air. Ano pa bang pwedeng sabihin? What a performance. In the second quarter, naging battle of the bench, and masyadong malaki yung lamang ng SMB para magkaroon lang ng same production. Don Trollano for SMB and yung playmaking ni Nards for Ginebra. So kung need ng Ginebra makabangon, they need times 2, times 3 of what they are doing, kasi kung sagutan lang ng bench yung both squads, so lamang pa rin yung SMB. And to end the half, hindi pa rin mapigilan ng Ginebra yung transition offense ni CJ Perez. Pero sa third quarter, ito yung para sa Ginebra. Sila na yung tumatakbo, and thanks to their outside shot na hindi sila naging gun shy to let it fly, RJ and Holt hitting some key 3-point shots. Kahit nga si Thompson, hands on his face, is confident tumira, including yung kanyang back-to-back outside shots. And they are on a striking distance sa SMB. Kasi nagka-foul trouble din pala si CJ Perez. Reason being para malimit yung kanyang production. And I always like Ginebra if hinahayaan yung mga ganitong action na let Scotty and RJ cook. Single digit na lang. Kaso lang sa fourth quarter, although walang Perez na bumubulusok, meron pang Don Trollano yung SMB. 4 na lang sana yun for Ginebra. Pero here, Trollano on the break. So, maganda yung mga read ni Trollano dito kasi nakita naman nyo yung second line on defense is not a good shot blocker. Kaya kahit idiin niya sa paint is kayang-kaya niya malay up. So, ayun, 2 points. Tapos here, si Torres nakasag na agad. Kasi nga, from the last possession, inatake siya eh. So, yung read ni Trollano will just create some space from the outside. Kasi si Holt, puro under din yung ginagawa sa screen ni Junmar. Trollano from the 3-point distance, bang! Tapos another icing on the cake. Here, masyadong mataas na naman si Japet. Kaya, burst of speed lang is may iwan siya. Trollano with a left layup, 2 points. Ayun, GG. SMB sa finals.